Hey there, welcome to the second video on this free training. My name is Rui Morgado and I'm the founder of the Funnel Superhero and the Superhero Empire. In this video I'm going to talk about the secret to passive income generation. In this video I'm going to focus on revealing the secret method to passive income generation, not only through affiliate marketing, but also through your own digital product and services. First, I want you to understand that if you want to have your own digital products or services, either because you want to share your knowledge with other people, or also if you want to keep your products on the market for as long as you want, because that's one of the problems about affiliate marketing, is that the owner of the product can at any moment just decide, I'm not going to do affiliate anymore, and stop the affiliate program, and you're out of the game, even if you're making a lot of money with the product, you're out of the game. So if you're selling either one or the other one and you're starting, or you already started and you're making already money with this, first I want you to understand that if you want to have your own digital products and services, either because you want to share your knowledge about something with your audience, or because you want to keep your product in the market for as long as you want, you don't want to depend on anyone, you probably didn't think about doing also affiliate marketing. This happens a lot of times. I know a lot of people who just started creating their own digital products and their own services, and they never actually thought about affiliate marketing. They look at affiliate marketing as if it was another different kind of business. And the same thing happens on the other way around. There's a lot of people doing affiliate marketing who never really thought about building their digital products or doing their services. But understand that they go hand by hand and they're actually very similar. Now imagine, if you already have your own product on the market, you have an audience, okay? If you have an audience, why not every once in a while recommend an affiliate product in which you truly believe? One that you know that will give value to your audience and is going to create some extra income at the same time for you. On the other way around, it works exactly the same, and I've already talked about it on the previous video. If you're doing affiliate marketing and you really want to sell a lot and make a lot of money with it, you definitely need to create your own digital products. Create a lot of value that you can bundle in your affiliate offer, but also upsell them through email campaigns later on. In any of these two ways, affiliate marketing or your own digital products, basically what you're doing is called content marketing. Both digital products, services, affiliate marketing, they're both content marketing. You're doing exactly the same. So why do we need to do one or the other? We can do both. And that's the only way to actually grow your business. Now, how are we able to grow and optimize our content marketing? We do that by choosing a high quality affiliate offer or product, and then we're gonna add our own value that will turn that bundle into a no-brainer decision of yes or yes. Okay? We're gonna add loads of value before that product. So in this case, we're doing two things at the same time. We are creating our own mailing list and we are offering more value than our competition. Inside of the members area, I'll show you exactly how to choose a product, how to create your own product, and how to deliver it inside of a membership area. It's very important. I always like to deliver my products inside of a membership area because it gets organized, but also because it's the best way for you to start getting a recurring income. You remember I spoke on the last video, the second secret to make money on an online business, it's to have a recurring income. So let's talk a bit more about this now. The best way to structure your business is by having a members area where you're going to deliver your products, as I told you before. And this members area is going to give us a recurring income. So I'm going to give you an example. Let's imagine I'm charging for this members area $30 per month. Okay? Obviously, for this I need to give loads and loads of value. I need to have a lot of content inside, and I need to have some social proof already. And let's say I'm promoting an affiliate product. It's better if it's a subscription, if it's something that will give me the recurring income that we spoke before. And let's imagine this subscription costs $100 per month and gives you 30% of commission. So that's gonna be $30 per month also. So now think with me, how hard would be to charge $30 per month on my members area if nobody knows me? How hard would that be? Nobody would buy it. So what we do here is we're going to promote this product subscription. Once again, remember, this has to be a high quality product, a high quality affiliate product that we are actually promoting. So I'm going to promote this one, and I'm going to offer free access to my members area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, look, if you buy this subscription, this product subscription through my affiliate link, apart from the high value that you get on this product subscription, you will also get free access to my amazing members area that has a value of $30 per month. So you're saving $30 per month, and you're accessing a members area, membership site that has tons and tons of high quality digital products. So what's going to happen here is that I'm actually going to give for free these $30 per month, but I'm getting them here. So for me it's the same. I still get $30 per month. It's much easier to sell because I'm selling someone's product that it's already well known and people are looking for it probably. And for the customer it's great because for the same price they would pay to get subscription, they also get for free access to a members area with even more products. So that's amazing. That's a no-brainer, okay? This is a win-win situation. This is a yes or yes. I win and the customer wins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave on my members area a list with all the high-quality affiliate products that I use and recommend. So just go there and take a look. But keep going. With time, I'm going to keep adding more stuff in my members area. And at some point, I'm going to have already a big audience. I'm going to have already a lot of testimonials. I'm going to be more well-known than before. And my members area is going to have so much value and so much high quality content that I'll be able to sell it by itself. I'm going to raise the price from $30 to $97, and probably I'm going to stop offering it for free with that product subscription. This only happens when the members area already has so much value that it doesn't make sense to offer for free anymore, okay? And in that case, you're going to offer other stuff. You're going to offer probably access to one of the online courses only instead of the whole members area, or to another kind of product. But now what I want to talk about is about this bottom area, okay? This part is probably one of the most important parts. This is the part that I will show you why is not a problem going into competitive niches. So the good thing about a competitive niche is that it doesn't really matter what this product is. We know that we have a huge audience looking for it. So the only thing we really need to do is to just put a lot of value before the product. So before these people get to the offer, we just put loads and loads of value in the middle. Also, it doesn't really matter what kind of value we're offering as long as it's related with the product. We can offer ebook, free training, free access to a high quality members area like we spoke before, or any other thing. Last, what you really need to know is who are your customers and where are they. So let's go through these examples. Let's say people have a problem. There's a lot of people who have a problem, but they don't really know that there's products on the market to solve the problem. Okay. One example, people want to lose weight and they don't know there's a product to help them. So they don't know about that smoothie we spoke on the first video. To these people here, what we're going to do is, okay, we're going to focus on the problem and we're going to show them that there's a solution. So we're going to put the product in front of them and we're going to tell them, okay, this product will solve your problem. So the next group is the people who already know similar products. They know your competition. These people might be looking for other weight loss products, but they don't really know yours. For these ones, what you have to do is you have to get in front of them and show your product. And then you just have to explain why it's better than the competition. Show them the benefits. Show them everything that you have and the competition doesn't have. Next, we have people who have a problem and are looking for a product. So they don't actually know your competition. They know they have a problem and they are looking for products that solve that problem. Let's imagine they are, for example, Googling products to lose weight or weight loss products. So we need to know these people exist and we need to find a way for these people to find us or to go to them. I'm going to go into much more detail about this inside the members area. So if you go inside my members area, you're going to have courses about how to approach each one of these kind of customers. The last group of people are the ones who already know the product you're promoting and they want it. Okay, so they already know this product and they know they want it. They know they want it. So to these ones here, we just have to offer more value than the competition. So give them a reason to use your link and not someone else's. So anyway, in any case, you'll need to get in front of these people, okay? And you have to give your value first. It doesn't really matter what audience are you promoting to. You have to put your value in front of them before you even put the offer. So let's say in this weight loss product, I would create a 30 days weight loss challenge with daily fitness exercises. Let's say a PDF with some food tips. And I would include a link to our affiliate product for those who want to give an extra step, who want to achieve better results or faster results. At the end, just make it look really nice, make it look super appealing, and just give it away in exchange of their email address. So just create a landing page, product there, give me your address, give me your email address, I'll give you the free challenge, and then send them to the product offer. So whoever doesn't buy straight away on the affiliate offer, they will still go through your challenge, and there's going to be links in there. So there's the chance that they go through one of your links, or email campaign. We're going to also send them an email campaign and send them to the offer again. So in conclusion, if you follow this structure, you'll be able to start an online business with a strong structure to create a nice recurring profit and grow in a consistent basis. This is super important. Using this method will always win, so just follow it. You can go a lot deeper into this subject inside my members area, and I'll show you actually step by step how to choose a niche, how to select your affiliate products, how to market them, and everything else that you need to use this system. And that's it, guys. Just let me know if you have any questions. I really hope you understood the importance of putting a lot of value in front of your audience before you actually promote the affiliate product that you choose. And I'll see you inside the members area.